All right, guys, welcome back. Tonight, I am really enjoying this. I'm taking a little bit more time to kind of relax, and I know that the kind of things I've been showing you in these videos seem like I'm just relaxing the whole time, but really I've been working my butt off between here and back at the house in Canton, trying to get out of there, trying to get moved in here and get everything organized. It is such a huge job, you wouldn't believe it. I mean, think about moving from a huge house, like, I don't know what, 2,000 square feet, into an RV, a camper, that is probably 600 square feet, I don't know. Not much room. So, big job. But anyways, tonight I am feeling good. We have got about another hour or so before sunset. But look at that right there. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the sun shining over here on these trees. I just love this view. I love it so much. Every single one of my my sites that I've been in over the past couple of weeks here, maybe 3 weeks, has been on this end of the park because I love it so much, except for one that was down in a different section, and I didn't even stay here. But I moved my site again yesterday. I've had to move about 3-4 times, I think, something like that, in order to be able to stay here, you know, an entire month. So basically, like, I started back at this one on the corner, and then I moved from there up here somewhere, you know, 527 I think was the number. And then I went over to that one I was just talking about on another part of the park, and now I moved over here yesterday. This is an awesome spot. I mean, they all are incredible, but I'm loving this one. Look, I got the whole awning set out and everything. I put my carpet out, my outdoor mat. I got my chair over here for the fire, the picnic table. I got my griddle out there and everything. Look at this. I got this whole area here. It's just such a nice, awesome site right here. And you have nobody beside you. Nobody at all. Now, this is a parking spot there. People who are camping right down here with that pop-up, they have kids running around here playing and stuff, so they parked over here instead of over there. But it is really an awesome spot. You're just surrounded with greenery and trees, the twilight trees. Look at that. That is an incredible picture right there. And there is my campsite right there. So we're gonna go back there and start preparing to make a fire tonight. It's a little bit cooler tonight than it has been. The whole time I've been here, it's been like, you know, high 80s, early 90s. Early 90s, what am I, crazy? High 80s, low 90s. And just way too hot to have a fire. At least that's how I felt about it. Plus, it's kind of lonely having a fire by yourself, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it tonight. It's a little bit cool tonight, and I'm kind of feeling it. So let's go ahead and get that started. As I've been unpacking things, I've been saving all the boxes specifically for this, so that we can use them to start the fire there. Even though I have some little fire starters, that's what I'm going to use tonight. When I was out the other day picking some things up, I got some wood. Now, a lot of places want you to buy their own wood, but I haven't seen anywhere in the rules where I have to actually buy wood from here. And I haven't seen any wood for sale anywhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use this. Doing too bad there for a little bit. And I got it starting to stoke up a little bit here again, but this wood, it must have been wet at some point, and it's not fully dried through because it turned into basically just a smoke instead of a fire. I put some more cardboard down in there, hoping that I could just get it going again. So hopefully that will actually stoke up a little bit there. I'd like to have a real fire. Definitely not the best wood I've ever had. It's a fire though. This is my view from it. The rig right there, the fire. I could make some hot dogs, but I'm not even hungry. I actually just ate a whole slew of sausage and onions. And getting that thing started, I am sweating bullets again. It's cool out here, but man. Yeah, my teepee fell down. And I don't have a poker. I'm gonna have to go on a woods hike here and find a poker. Because that just isn't happening, man. I mean, it's alright. It's been a good fire from time to time, but it's like it gets going and then it goes out, and all I'm getting is smoke and a little bit of flames there. This wood was definitely wet at one point. Okay, I rebuilt it as a log cabin. Let's see if we can have any luck with this. Get a little bit of drone footage there, but the GPS out here is horrible with all these trees and everything, so it wanted to go its own direction, so I just brought it back in. But we did get a couple of cool shots. Unfortunately, the fire is not completely stoked. It's still kind of just muddling along there. It's burning, but it's nothing impressive. So anyways, my daughter's coming tomorrow. We'll get some better wood and have a better fire. I'm going to pull this apart and go on in where it's cool and I'm not getting bit up by mosquitoes. And yeah, prepare for my daughter coming tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow.